My refrigerator does not make ice.
First question, does it have an ice maker? If it doesn't have an ice maker, it shouldn't make ice unless you set the fridge thermostat too low or it has a refrigerant leak.
It has an ice maker.
Is the ice maker turned on? If the switch for the ice maker is turned off, it won't make ice.
Why would someone turn off the ice maker?
The reliability of a refrigerator goes down dramatically when it has an ice maker, making it more likely to freeze, flood, mold and mildew. Some people turn off the ice maker to save on repair bills.
I can see why. I just don't know why.
Let's suppose the ice maker is turned on. Next is checking to see that the water line didn't freeze.
Where's the water line?
For a lot of fridges, the water line to the ice maker runs through the fridge. And if there is too much cold mass next to it or not enough water flowing through it to prevent it from freezing, the water line freezes.
So that'll prevent it from getting the water to turn into ice.
Yes, but it could leak water into the freezer. Then you have lots of ice, just coating the bottom of the freezer.
I have a defroster in the freezer.
I hope you don't have a water line leak flooding the bottom of the freezer. If that gets thick enough, it'll flood out of the freezer because it is more volume than the freezer drain line can handle.
That would be a disaster.
You could also check the freezer temperature to make sure it is cold enough to make ice. Sometimes the defroster stays on and keeps the freezer the same temp as the fridge.
I'd hate to think that all the frozen food is just mushy.
But it explains the lack of ice, if all the water is going down the fridge drain.
And the repair cost will drain my budget.